Sinoco Medical with the associated factory located in Shenzhen City, the southern of China. With the same ideology since the day our business started, our vision is becoming a leading enterprise in the global high-performance LED lights and LED medical devices industry, providing comprehensive solutions to customers. Driven by technological innovation, the company aims to continuously improve product quality and service levels, contributing to human health. Sinoco have been engaging in research, development, production and sales of LED products over 20 years. The factory located in Shenzhen covering 3,900 square meters. Sinoco is an innovation-driven high-speed development enterprise. The R&D talents keep output. It owns more than 30 national patents. Sinoco monitors market trends and customer needs to develop competitive products. By prioritizing customer satisfaction and feedback, the company consistently delivers high-quality products and services. We also provides robust customer support through a comprehensive service system, offering professional academic, technical assistance, and after-sales support to enhance the customer experience. We have been cooperating with famous brands, which aim to build a world-renowned intelligent LED lighting manufacturer brand. Technological innovation drives Sinoco's growth in high-tech medical products. We ensure quality through optimized production, strict quality control, and inspections. By enhancing employee expertise, we deliver reliable outcomes and continuously explore new technologies to improve product performance and efficiency. Welcome to contact with our sales team online.